Hey, I used to struggle with English. It was frustrating not being able to express myself properly. But I found some practical tips that helped me improve my fluency. Immersing myself in English was a game changer. I watched English movies, listened to English songs, and thought in English throughout the day. It helped me become more familiar with the language. Speaking daily was also essential in improving my fluency. I practiced with friends, found language exchange partners, and even talked to myself in English. It helped me gain confidence and improve my pronunciation. Learning basic phrases and expressions was a great starting point for me. It helped me get comfortable with simple conversations and build a solid foundation for further learning. Flashcards were an effective way to expand my vocabulary quickly. I created flashcards for new words I came across and reviewed them regularly. Reading simple books or articles helped me practice reading comprehension and exposed me to new words and grammar structures. It was a great way to improve my language skills. Listening to English podcasts or audiobooks helped me improve my listening skills and exposed me to different accents and speaking styles. It was a great way to hear native speakers in natural conversations. Engaging in language exchanges was a great way to practice speaking and get real-time feedback. It also helped me make new friends from different cultures. Recording myself speaking in English allowed me to listen to my pronunciation and identify areas for improvement. It was a useful self-assessment tool to track my progress. Learning a new language can be challenging, but setting achievable goals and celebrating accomplishments can keep you motivated. Stay persistent and don't be too hard on yourself.